How to make money from home as a virtual assistant. Let me walk you through how to make money from home as a virtual assistant. Follow these steps and you'll be set up for success. 1. Understand the role of a virtual assistant, VA. A virtual assistant helps businesses or individuals with various remote tasks like administrative work, customer service, social media management, calendar management, and more. 2. Required skills and equipment. Communication skills. Excellent written and verbal communication. Organizational skills. Good time management and organizational abilities. Technical knowledge. Basic knowledge of software like Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, and project management tools like Trello, Asana, or Slack. Equipment. A reliable computer, stable internet connection, and possibly a headset for calls. 3. Find your niche. Decide on the services you want to offer and the type of clients you want to attract. Examples include administrative tasks, social media management, customer service, bookkeeping, content creation. Create a professional profile. Resume and portfolio. Create an updated resume and a portfolio showcasing your skills and past experiences. Online presence. Set up a professional LinkedIn profile and a personal website to present your services. 5. Use VA platforms. Sign up on platforms that connect virtual assistants with potential clients. Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, People Per Hour, Belay, Time, etc. 6. Market your services. Networking. Use social media to promote your services and connect with people. Facebook groups and LinkedIn are great places to find potential clients. Website and blog. Create your own website or blog to showcase your services and expertise. Referrals. Ask satisfied clients for referrals and reviews to build trust and credibility. 7. Set contracts and payment methods. Contracts. Create a simple contract outlining the details of your services, compensation, and payment terms. Payment systems. Set up various payment methods like PayPal, bank transfer, or other online payment systems. 8. Work efficiently and professionally. Time management. Use tools like Toggle to track your work hours and ensure efficiency. Organization. Utilize project management tools like Trello or Asana to organize tasks and meet deadlines. Communication. Maintain regular contact with clients to ensure tasks are clearly defined and completed on time. 9. Expand your skills and services. Stay updated on the latest tools and techniques in your field. Consider offering additional services or learning new skills to expand your offerings and become more attractive to clients. 10. Seek feedback and improve. Regularly ask for feedback from your clients and use it to continuously improve your services. By following these steps, you can start and succeed as a virtual assistant from home. Good luck!